the wrong color.
I know.
That's okay. Thanks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? It's Friday afternoon. That's right. The reason why you see me loading the truck up, get ready to race, is we're going up to Mokan's 57th annual Memorial Day race. That's right. It's the 57th year of this race. So anyway, been going to this race for many years myself. So with that, let's go ahead and get the trailer hooked up to the truck here and get on down the road. And we're going to be up there for 2 days of racing. So we'll be up there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll be testing Friday night, and then we'll be racing Saturday and Sunday. That's right, racing 2 classes both days. So anyway, with that, let's go ahead and get started and get everything loaded up. I got a question for you. What year anniversary is this?
For what?
The race.
57 or 58?
Which one is it?
58.
No, 57.
I was close.
Yep. Oh well, he was close. I actually had to look it up just to make sure.
I'm old.
We made it. Old man's going over there to get our order placed. Can't wait to see what's in the bag, and better yet, I can't wait to see what the bag looks like. Well, okay. Not too sure about the bag, but is that is that like a summer type bag? It says Solid Choice on it, which chill. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a cool bag. I would call that the summer bag. But tell you what, guys,
Summer lunch bag.
yeah. But I'll tell you what's in the bag. Oh my gosh. That smell. Oh my gosh. You need to get the onion rings from Sonic. I can tell you that right now. These things are delicious. So anyway, on to the track. Yep, we made it. My gosh, look at that big crane up there. Someone's getting a motor replaced. That's pretty cool. Woo. The heat is tonight. Good morning from Mokan. That's right, this is Saturday here at Mokan. Yesterday was Friday, so no racing yesterday. Mainly we test and tuned on the car. Kind of give you update that here in a little bit, see what we did with that. But today we are racing today. We are entered in 2 classes. Okay, with the car, we did a lot of testing last night. We made 4 hits off of it, and we finally, I think we got it to hook. We had to do another shock adjustment on it, but once we tuned the shock adjustment, that thing was kicking butt. We was cutting 142 60 foots. Okay, we got done with all the qualifying for both rounds. Car was really consistent the first 2 rounds of Super Pro and No E. The second round, not as consistent. We actually did spin on one of the No E passes, but we think we might got that one figured out. So anyway, we'll throw a number on it and see if it sticks, and if it does, then we'll run with that. So anyway, so stay tuned for round 1 coming up for No E, then Super Pro. Okay, we got a win on that one. Whew, yeah, he beat Klein. He did something good. Yeah, I looked over and saw him. I said, okay. I remember him beat me 1 round. broke it out big time. I think when I did the air pressure change, it picked it up. Hey guys, this is round 2 of Super Pro No E. I just screwed up. We made another air pressure adjustment on the tires, and it really took it. I womped it 2 or 3 times, still broke it out. $1.65 ran at 61, so that was not good. So anyway, I got a 660 now on the dial for this guy. So air pressure's all good, so it should hook and it should run its number. I see no reason why it won't. So anyway, yeah, here we go. Good old Shane, he 006 me, had a 29, so I'm already behind the 8 ball. Car hooked pretty good, then he came up on around me and I just got out of it right toward the end, hoping maybe he would break out. Sure just kept in it, but it wouldn't have mattered anyway. Hey guys, it is a very late night here in Mokan. Didn't do as good as we wanted it to do today, but my good buddy next to me, Joe, he is actually down to the semis, so I'm gonna stay up. It's how late is it here? It's 12:10. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's late night or early morning now. So anyway, is what it is, but hey, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Good morning from Mokan. That's right, this is day number 2 at the Memorial Day race. We are up and around getting the car ready to go, which it's only 8:52 here, so it's gonna be a while. Anyway, as you seen in the previous video, we didn't do worth a flip yesterday. But I think we got it all figured out, so we got a game plan. So with that, wish me luck today, because I'm going to need a lot of it. So hope I can go better than 2 rounds for each class. This kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So other than that, sit back, enjoy the ride, and see what we can do today. What's your thoughts for the day?
Win.
Win. Is that it? Okay, we'll try win. Still broke out. First round, no, or Super Pro, 661. Yeah. I'll drive up to you. Yeah, I got a 011 light, so right on the button. We're doing good. Slowed down for some reason. I felt this spin at the line. Might be tracks getting hot or something, but definitely off. 3 we go. Got a 63, 663. I'm racing against a 467. Yep, 2-second head start. Just gonna keep put my foot in it. About ready to pop it one time. Okay, broke it out. Dialed a 63, it ran at 61. I should have womped it, but man, he's 2 seconds quicker, 140 something mile an hour close rate. So, yeah, I was definitely late on the tree. It felt like when I let go of the button, I felt like I was late. I wish I had a bump down, but I don't have bump downs. Yeah, 45 to 17. He ran dead on, and I ran 0106 off dial. Okay, round 3, no E. Got a 662 on it right now. So it's been flirting around at 61, 62, 63 all day today. It's getting a little bit later in the day, so hopefully we'll be able to run the 62. Okay, he's got a 674, I got a 662. I wanted some fries with my McDonald's.
Join the crowd.
Oh my gosh, 135.
Oh man.
He had a 63.
Yeah.
I mean, it ran on its number, but
I can't explain it, Ken. It's happened to me more than once. I don't have the answer.
Nope. Oh well.
What helped me to
Well, guys, that is a wrap for Mokan. No E. I was just late at the light. But you know what? Still had a great time. Wasn't the outcome I wanted, but you know what? We did make a lot of progress on the suspension, so I'm happy with that. So anyway, with that, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that like. We're just about there at 1,000. So with that, I'm out of here and we're on the way home.